Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll do the case analysis of the case Madhya Pradesh State Road Transportation Corporation versus Manoj Kumar Nadal. So let's get started. So Madhya Pradesh State Road Transportation Corporation is a public sector undertaking which undertakes the work of carrying passengers from one place to another within and outside the state of Madhya Pradesh. So the corporation was running into losses and the state government took over and decided to wind up the action of this corporation. So, amidst all this, considering the closure of the corporation, the managing director introduced a scheme known as Voluntary Retirement from Service, or the VRS scheme, for the employees of the corporation. So, what is this voluntary retirement from service? That even though you have not attained the retirement age, you can take retirement from this job. So this scheme was declared open on 1st July 2005 and was to last till 1st August 2005. In other words, 1 month time was given to decide either to opt for this scheme or not to opt. So there were certain conditions, and one such clause was that once the option is given by the employee, it shall not be permissible to be changed or taken back. अगर आपने एक बार हाँ बोल दिया स्कीम के लिए तो आप वापस इसको नहीं ले सकते या फिर ना बोल दिए तो आप बाद में हाँ नहीं कर सकते. So 1 year after, around on 12th October 2006, this window was again opened and another opportunity was given to the rest of the employees. जिन्होंने पहले नहीं किया था ऑप्ट उनके लिए वापस एक स्मॉल विंडो खोली गई फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 17 days. The main reason was to attract more such employees to opt for the scheme, as the corporation has decided to close down its operations and wanted its employees to take an honorable exit with the golden handshake. कि आप अपनी मर्जी से चले जाएं बिकॉज यहाँ पे रह के भी आपको कोई फायदा नहीं है, तो एक गोल्डन हैंडशेक लेकर आप चले जाएं, आपको पेंशन मिलती रहेगी. So getting into the facts of the case, some of the employees submitted their application for voluntary retirement within the validity period, but withdrew their application before it was accepted. So कई employees ने जाकर अपनी हाँ भर दी पहले और फिर withdraw कर लिया application. But जब उन्होंने withdraw करी, the request for withdrawal of the application were made after the validity period, that is after 1st August 2005. तो the first window open थी from July 1st 2005 and August 1st 2005, उनके बाद उन्होंने withdrawal sought किया. तो कॉर्पोरेशन ने इग्नोर करी उनकी रिक्वेस्ट और एक्सेप्ट कर ली उनकी वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट की एप्लीकेशन. तो ये सारे एम्प्लॉयज हाई कोर्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश पहुंच गए कि नहीं, हमें तो इंसाफ चाहिए, हमें नहीं चाहिए वॉलंटरी रिटायरमेंट, और उन्होंने पिटिशन साइन कर दिया बिफोर दिस हाई कोर्ट चैलेंजिंग द एक्शन ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेशन कि वो अनवारंटेड है एंड कॉन्ट्ररी टू द लॉ. अब कॉर्पोरेशन ने बोला कि देयर वाज अ क्लियर प्रोहिबिटरी क्लॉज फॉर एम्प्लॉयज फ्रॉम विड्रॉइंग देयर एप्लीकेशन, कि हमने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि वी वुड नॉट एंटरटेन दिस थिंग, और अगर आपने एक बार दे दिए तो फिर आप वापस नहीं, आप विड्रॉ कर सकते. दिस केस केम बिफोर द सिंगल जज ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट, जिन्होंने ये सारी एम्प्लॉयज की प्लीट डिसमिस कर दी, सेइंग दैट विड्रॉल ऑफ दिस स्कीम कुड ओनली बी मूव्ड विद इन द वैलिडिटी पीरियड ऑफ द स्कीम. और उन्होंने ये एप्लीकेशन कब मूव करी थी? आफ्टर द एक्सपायरी ऑफ द स्कीम. सो ये सारे एम्प्लॉयज ने केस कर दिया बिफोर द डिवीजन बेंच ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट, दैट इज व्हेन द केस इज हर्ड बाय 2 जजेस, दिस नोन एज डिवीजन बेंच. और एक किसने सुना? दिस केस वाज हर्ड बाय डॉक्टर ए के सीकरी एंड आर के अग्रवाल. Now, this bench gave the verdict that it is always permissible for an employee to withdraw the option under VRS before it is accepted. So basically, they upheld the verdict of the single judge, and उन्होंने कहा कि even though there is a clause कि आप नहीं बाद में withdraw कर सकते, still it is permissible for an employee to withdraw this option before it is accepted and within the validity period. So the issue that arose before the court was whether this new scheme that was introduced after an year on 12th October 2006, whether it was a new scheme or was it the continuation of the earlier one. And if the scheme is the continuation, of the earlier scheme, then the employees could withdraw their application. Okay, and it would be within the validity period, because obviously the validity of the scheme would be extended up to 28th October. But the court said that it is not a case of extension of scheme, as there was a big gap between the two schemes, around a year. And so it was a new scheme. And so the first set of employees, they could withdraw their option before it was accepted by the original validity period, that is 1st August, and not thereafter. There are certain provisions of Contract Act 1872 which are applied to this case. They are that when the scheme is contractual in nature and not statutory in character, the provisions of this Contract Act 1872 would apply. So, a VRS scheme like this, that is calling for options ki ha ya na, this would be considered as an invitation to offer. जब employees application submit करेंगे under this scheme, it would be an offer. And जब corporation अगर accept करता है, तो तभी a deal would get concluded और एक contract बनेगा. But this option can always be withdrawn before it is accepted during the validity period, as it was held by the court. And this would be the position even when there is a clause in the scheme that offer once given cannot be withdrawn at all.